Hey everyone, just wanted to show you my setup for my portable dishwasher. I didn't want it connected to my faucet arm or my sprayer. I know some faucets you're not able to because it just has a retractable sprayer, so hopefully this will help some. So I have a washing machine valve, a shower arm flange. I've got my gooseneck garden hose attachment with shutoff. I have a garden hose adapter and then the coupling for my dishwasher. Down below, I have a brass 3-way valve and my new braided line. So all you do is you connect the 3-way valve, add your braided line, run it up to where the soap dispenser or the sprayer would go into that third hole. You run your washing machine valve down through a shower flange, attach your gooseneck garden hose extension. They didn't have one without another shutoff valve when I went to get them, so I went ahead and just got one with another shutoff valve. So when you put this on, this handle will be in the way, so you'll have to take off this handle and reposition it so it doesn't hit this. Then you attach your adapters and your dishwasher. Hope this helps.